Everybody is depending on spiritual work. Do you know why? Because spiritual work is universal. You don't need special power to pound soap. You don't need special power to pluck apps. People with no powers are all into selling of soaps because that one does not need any speciality. Everybody can carry books that so yeah, go and buy this soap, buy this one and bind it together. Anybody can do that. And that is why you see most spiritualists who claims to be spiritualists, they are all into soap making business. Why? Because they don't have anything to offer. They are all looking for soap. Because doing soap is the simple thing. Everybody can do that. But spirituality, nobody can do that.